How to extract RAR file in Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can extract RAR files on Windows, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to extract RAR or zip files, you need to have an application to extract this. So the popular ones are WinRAR and 7-zip. So in this case, I'll just use WinRAR. So just go ahead and type in WinRAR download in the search box of your browser. Then here you'll find the first link to download WinRAR, right? Just go ahead and open that link. So you want to make sure to simply download it. Don't worry, it's a completely free application. You can choose to pay, but of course I use the free version. So you have every feature in free version. Just make sure to download WinRAR. After you download it, you have to install and set up that WinRAR application. Now after you've downloaded and installed it, just navigate to the folder where your WinRAR file is actually located. So this one is actually our RAR file, right? So if I want to extract it, if the WinRAR is already installed, you'll find this WinRAR icon at the very top of that name. If WinRAR is not installed, you'll not be able to see this icon, right? So you have to keep that in mind. After your setup is successful, just open up that RAR file you want to extract, right click on it, and then here you'll find the option called WinRAR. If you don't find it, then you can go to show more options. When you go to show more options as well, you'll find the option called WinRAR in this case. So in this case, I'll just right click on it, I'll choose WinRAR, and then here I'll find extract to or extract files or extract here. You can choose whichever option is convenient for you. I personally like to select extract to, because when I select extract to, it is going to actually create a separate folder of this name just like that, and inside that folder it is going to place all the files that was included in the zip file as well, as you can see. If I selected extract here, all these files will be outside without creating a separate folder. So now I can just go ahead and then delete the original file, and I can use the extracted file over here. And this is simply how you can extract RAR file in Windows. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.